If you're seeing Claude error code 529, don't panic. This usually means it's a server-side issue, not something you've done wrong. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to understand the error and what to do next so you can get back to using Claude as fast as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and AI troubleshooting guides. First, the most important step is to wait and retry. Because error 529 is often caused by temporary server overload or instability, the best thing you can do is pause your requests for a few minutes. Don't keep refreshing non-stop or spamming the prompt because that usually won't fix it. Give the system some time to recover, then try your request again. In many cases, the error clears up on its own once the servers stabilize. Next, check the Claude status page. Open your browser and go to status.claude.com. This page tells you whether there is a known outage, maintenance window, or degraded performance across the platform. If Claude is experiencing a wider issue, then the problem is on their side and all you can do is wait it out. This is a very useful step because it saves you time troubleshooting something that you cannot control locally. If the status page shows that everything is working normally, then the next thing to look at is the weight of your request. Claude can sometimes struggle with very heavy prompts, especially if you are sending massive files, long conversations, or large code bases. Try reducing the amount of context in your prompt. Remove unnecessary text, split large tasks into smaller parts, and keep your request as focused as possible. A lighter prompt is easier for the system to process and may help avoid the error. A good strategy is to break your work into smaller chunks. Instead of sending one huge request with everything included, separate it into steps. For example, if you're working with code, try sending one file or one section at a time. If you're using long documents, summarize the key parts before sending them in. This reduces load and can make the model respond more reliably. If you are still getting the error after waiting, checking the status page, and reducing your request size, try opening Claude in a fresh browser tab or refreshing your session. Sometimes a temporary browser issue can add to the problem. You can also sign out and sign back in if needed, but only after ruling out the server-side causes first. The main thing to remember is that Claude error code 529 is usually not a permanent problem. It's often just a signal that the service is under strain or your request is too heavy for the moment. So start with patience, confirm the platform status, and then simplify your prompt if needed. If this video helped you fix or understand Claude error code 529, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials, AI tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.